Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Happy 2025, guys. I hope you all had a really great new year and I hope you're ready for 2025. I'm excited. I think this year is going to be so great for me, my content, travel, just everything personally, business wise. I hope it's the same for you. And let's get into some nails. So I want to do some Bloom & Gel nails and just try different design on each nails. There are so many different things that you could do with Bloom & Gel, and I use Bloom & Gel like all the time. Like, you can create so many different things. So let's create this set right here. I think it came out so good. I use kind of a lot of colors just because it's a colorful set. I love a colorful set in the wintertime. I feel like a lot of time people save their color for the summer and spring. Putting the blue on my nail, and then I want to kind of create like an airbrush aura effect. So you put the blue down, you cure it for 60 seconds, and then you come in with some Bloom & Gel. And then I'll take my favorite Bloom & Gel. If you have any other ones that you really like, let me know. But right now, this is the one that I've been using since I started using Bloom & Gel, really. And it hasn't let me wrong yet. So it's this Bloom & Gel right here from Amelie. It looks like this. But it works really well. So I'm just going to take that and put that all over the blue, but you don't cure it. So you put on the nail, don't cure it yet. Then I decided to take some green from the green highlighter bottle and just put it on a little dish or whatever you have to put something, to put colors on. But I just put that on the little dish. Then I took a little thin liner brush and just kind of put that on the nail in a circular motion. And I kind of try to like feather out the edges as I went along, just so like the Bloom & Gel would work and like spread it out and make it look kind of hazy. I think it turned out really cute. This is kind of my first time trying this design, or trying this this design. So I'm sure there's like more perfecting that I could do, because there was like, it was a little splotchy in the middle, but I think I really like the look and how it came out. But just like really work to like feather those edges. Don't put too much. Like, start with a little bit and work your way up if you need to, and be really light. So you don't want to come in too heavy handed with this, because then it'll basically turn the whole nail green. So I just tried to be really light, and then after it spread as much as I thought it was going to spread, or how I liked it, I just kind of started messing with the product at the edge, like I said, just to like feather it out some and give it that hazy aura look. So I decided I'm just gonna create two nails to look just like that. So I am taking another nail and I'm painting it just the opposite color that I went in with second. So green highlighter first. So just put that all on the nail. And most of these I only had to do like one layer, because I was going back on top with Bloom & Gel in different colors. So I only put one layer of these. They have really good pigmentation in the color. So I really love Madam Glam. Put green highlighter down first, and then of course go in and apply your Bloom & Gel. And then you come back on top with the same method with the Besame or a blue of your choice, and just kind of work the liner brush in a circular motion. But yeah, I'm so excited for the new year and my nail content that I have coming. I don't really know what I want to do yet, but I know there's like so many more different designs that I want to try. So if y'all ever see me, if you ever see a cute design that you think I would like, tag me in my Instagram or like send it to me. Follow my Instagram. It's Mahogany Diane on all my social handles. But yeah, I can see it easily on there. If you like tag me or send me a video that you think I would like, I would love that. And then I'll look and see if it's something that I think I can do, or I can find out how to do and attempt them. So yeah, I'm really excited for this new year. I feel like I'm gonna reach all my content goals that I have for 2025, like reaching 1,000 subscribers, being monetized. It's gonna be a good year. So now I'm going in for the next nail, and I'm just gonna put Besame. I try to keep some consistency with some of the colors, just so they like, it looks kind of uniform, even though it's a match set. So just put Besame as the base of the nail. Then of course go in, I probably will stop saying it, because I'm just, every nail after I put my base color down, I'm going to go in with Bloom & Gel. But you just put the Bloom & Gel down, don't cure. Then I'm taking this blue from D&D called Kiss a Still, or Still a Kiss. Still a Kiss. And I'm just kind of creating like this croc design where you just like put lines down the middle, but just gap them a little bit. And just place them with the liner brush. I'm using the same liner brush, of course, cleaning it off in between. And then after you put it down the middle, you go in on the sides and either create another little line or a dot, just kind of like opposite in the holes where there's not like a line on the first one, if that makes sense. You can see what I'm doing. They're kind of like offset. and it just spreads really pretty. You don't have to do too much. This is a quite easy design that I see a lot, so I'm gonna do the same thing. Put this orange down that I got from D&D, and it's called Hot Mess. But I'm just gonna place that all on the base of the nail. Then we'll go in with your blooming gel to layer it on top. And then I'm also using this color 378 by Beetles. I love their colors as you get in the mini sets. Like, I feel like if you're a beginner, you can get some Beetles polishes and they last you. You get to be creative and try different designs. But if you really like a color and you want it in a big bottle, it's sometimes hard to find. But I'm just going in and just placing some diagonal like dot slash lines down the nail. And now I'm gonna go in, and you see I have my palette with all my different colors that I plan on using for like all the nails. But I cure this, so with blooming gel, if you want to work on top of a design, you have to keep curing it and adding blooming gel. But I try to work smart and not do more than like 2 layers, or the nail might get too bulky. But I cured it, then went back in with another layer of blooming gel. This time I'm switching to a dotting tool, and I'm just grabbing some white, and then I'll go in with some black and add some black on the top of the white and on the side. And I thought this one came out pretty cool. It gives me like lava vibes. So this one, I'm going in with this polish that I got from Shein, and I really love this polish. It's like a good base color, and I'm just putting that on the base of the nail. So that's gonna be my background. I think I'm gonna do 1 layer for this as well. But if you want to build the consistency, do 2 layers. But because I'm kind of going around it, I want to create like a little open middle effect. And I pick up 2 colors at the same time when I want to create this type of marble effect. So I'm going in and just picking up any 2 colors that you want to mix together. And on the same brush at the same time. And just kind of drawing little lines around the perimeter of the nail. Because on this nail, I want to kind of have like the inside open. But I'm working around the edge of the nail to create some really pretty marbly designs, and I want the colors to mix nicely and it be like a really colorful, pretty nail. So all the colors I'm using, I'm going to tag them below. I'm using an orange that I use from the D&D color. This yellow is Perfect Yellow from Madam Glam. I'm using the blue Besame. The pink that I'm using is from D&D called Pink Temptation 641. But it's come out so good. I like how the marbles, how the colors like run into each other, and they look really pretty. So this one I'm doing the exact same thing, but this is going to be for one of the pinky nails. So go in, put your base of your the base color down, whatever you want to choose, and then put cure that, put the blooming gel, and then go in with different colors and pick up 2 colors, 2 to 3. You can even do 3 colors if you really wanted to, but I feel like 2 is like my little sweet point where I know it won't look too crazy, and just add. And if you ever put down a blob and you think that's too big, you need to break it up, just go right on top of it and break that color up some with another color, and the blooming gel will still work and move it around a little bit. So this one I'm going in with that 378 color, and I'm just putting that all on the base of the nail. I'm gonna cure that and then add my blooming gel. Then I'm gonna go in and just with this really pretty yellow, it's gonna create little designs. And I'm going in with my pink and just creating more designs on the side. This one is just kind of like a random mix match nails. Going in with some green. You can't really see it that much. It kind of blended in. Then I'm going in with some black just to accent it a little more. Black and white really will like add really pretty dimension. Then I'm gonna put another coat of blooming gel on it after I cure it. Going with my dotting tool and just add a little bit more color. I'm gonna go in with this white. I'm gonna tag them both. The black and white are from Shein. I'm gonna tag them below as well. I used them in my last video. Check that out if you haven't already. And then I'm gonna go in with this yellow, or this black on top of the yellow, and just add even more dimension. And then I wanted to add a little bit more color, so I grabbed this blue and just put it and just added a few dots of this blue, and I think it looks really pretty. So my next nail, I'm going to go in with Perfect Yellow, put that on the base of the nail. Of course, same thing at this point, cure it, and then go in with blooming gel, don't cure it, and start adding my color on top. So I wanted just to bring in a little bit more color, because I feel like the rest of the nails have gotten kind of like dark with the orange and the red. So I'm going to go in with this pink down the middle and kind of like zigzag it just a little bit, just to give it a little dimension. And I really love, you see how the blooming gel like just does its thing. Like you don't have to do too much. You put the blooming gel, you just watch it work its magic. It's so pretty. I'm going in with some blue. I really love this color combination. Blue down the edges on the side. Now I'm going in with some yellow, some green, and just adding a little bit more dimension. Then I'm also going to do the method where I cure this nail and then add more blooming gel just to go in with my accent color. So I'm using white and just like putting it on top of the pink just to give that pink a little dimension. Going in with some black on the side. And you can really do whatever you want. You can get crazy, choose your own colors, but just use this method. And if you create these or create any of these designs, tag me in them. I want to see how they came out and what colors you use. Because I feel like you can get so creative with this design. And you can create like whatever you want with so many different colors. So this purple I'm going to grab. It is from Madam Glam. It's called the Persian Sea. So I'm going to paint my base. And this is going to be another one of those little croc nails where I just go down the center with a certain color. So I'm going to paint this one purple, blooming gel, and then I'm going to go in with my pink and just go down the middle like I did with the other nail and then hit the sides. Simple and easy. Now I'm going to go in with that pink and make that the base color. So a little tip that I like when I'm doing marble colors and I'm about to marble the whole nail is go ahead and paint your base color one of the colors that are going to be in your marble. It'll make the colors look more consistent and flow together nicely. So I put a blooming gel and then I'm going in. I picked up yellow and pink and I'm just going in and you see how I kind of blend in really nicely because you already have the pink as a base. Now I'm going in with some blue that I picked up and adding blue on top. Well, that was purple. I'm going in with this purple that I picked up and then adding blue on top just to break that purple up some. So if you make like a big glob and you want to break it up, just add another color on top. And I'm just picking up 2 colors at a time and just going all around the nail and just adding it where I see open space or where I see a big chunk of color that I want to break up. I really like this nail. It ended up giving me Poochie vibes, like the print that Poochie has. I think this is so pretty, and it wasn't intentional. But I feel like I want to create a whole set that looks like this one, because I think this is so pretty. This ended up being my favorite nail out of the set. Yeah, just go in. The white really added like a really nice pop of color, so did the green. And just go in and add as much as you want. And then I like to go down the sides and like wipe the colors off because they start running. Because it's kind of, you know, a lot of product on there with the blooming gel. But it's so pretty. And if you, of course, if you wanted to add more dimension on top, you would go back in and cure and then add it. But these are all the nails. These are how they came out. Super cute. And then once I put them on my hands, they looked even better. Then, of course, I went in and top coated with my Madam Glam. This is really pretty. Which design do you like the best? Like, which method do you like? But here they are on. They're so cute. I really love how they turned out. Yes. If you want to see how I glue these on, because they were press-ons, be sure to check out my next video I'm going to post. How I glue on my press-ons. And I'm going to do these without the drill. So I'm going to show y'all how I glue my press-on nails on if you don't have the drill. But they're super cute. I think all the designs are so pretty. Like I said, this one is my favorite nail. Came out so pretty. I love all the colors in it, but I think it all looks really nicely. They go together even though they're kind of mismatched nails. I love the 2 aura nails that offset each other on the other hand. Super cute. Oh, so y'all, thank y'all so much for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye.